What's up guys, this is your success coach and welcome back to the channel. I am back with the part 2 video. 10 businesses to start during recession that will make you rich. But first, if you are new here, hello. Thanks for stopping by, but don't be a stranger, hit that subscribe button and join the family. Business idea number 6. It is going to be to start a property management company. Now we all know real estate is where the bread and butter is, but everybody does not have the capital to invest. So starting a property management company is a good way to get your foot into the door of real estate, and trust me when I say landlords are eager to get rid of the responsibility of dealing with tenants. So this can be a booming business for you, and things you're typically responsible for is leasing, collecting fees and rent. Doing inspections, making sure maintenance is taken care of. The one thing I do know that no matter whether there's a recession or not, people still need someone to live. People are still renting, and therefore this is going to be a job that's always in demand. Now this business idea for number 7. This is going to be a fairly unique one, and that's to start a drone photography and videography company. And this is especially if you are good at taking photos. This is not an oversaturated industry, so you can do pretty well pretty quickly, and no matter recession or not. People are still trying to put houses out there, and in order to sell houses, especially the higher priced ones, they will pay big bucks to people to come and collect the right photos and get the right videos of that home. And drones is a really popular one that they are drawn to because it gets a view from the air, and that's one that not everyone has. Number 8. That is here in the land of YouTube, in my opinion. I must admit there is no better business to start right now than here on YouTube. People are making millions of dollars here. Take Graham for instance. This is how much he says he made last year alone by recording videos, placing them on YouTube, and allowing YouTube to place ads in his videos.
When you add all of that up, we come to $2,035,510.70 earned in 2020.
So when you add all of that up, we come to $2 million plus change he earned in 2021, and especially during these times like the pandemic, or even during this recession, people are looking for entertainment. They need motivation, and a lot of people are looking to learn a new skill. You know, anytime you don't know how to do something, the first place you're going to turn to is YouTube, and you could have the skill that someone is searching for. So share your skill or experiences you have, or if you're just naturally good at entertaining people and making them feel good, you can share it on YouTube, and that may end up bringing you millions of dollars. Business idea 9. Number 9 is going to be to start a virtual assistant agency. Virtual assistants are very popular right now and definitely in high demand, and on top of that there's a lot of money that can be made in this field, especially if you market to the right people. And for start, that could YouTubers, because a lot of YouTubers are hiring assistants, virtual assistants and executive assistant, just any kind of assistant agency. You can go ahead on and start. And you know, the pandemic forced a lot of people to take that brick and move it to online, and they still need help, and that's where you can step in. Business number 10 is going to be to start a delivery service. I do know one thing. During the pandemic, food delivery service just took off. But people are still utilizing delivery services, and other than food delivery, there's another type of delivery that you can tap into that I don't hear many people are doing, but it is much needed, and that is going to be like a pharmaceutical type of delivery service. Many people don't have the time, and they have no way to go and pick it up. So this way you can step in, and you can deliver medications to people, or you can start a neighborhood delivery service where you go and pick up and drop off things to people in the neighborhood, but you give them a certain radius that you are willing to go. You can charge by the mile, and then you can rack up. You just have to get creative with these things, guys. There is literally so many different things that you can do, but these are like the top things that I've seen many people are successful in. So I hope that these things help you. Please do not forget to like this video. Also subscribe if you have not done so, and other than that, I thank you so much for watching, and until next time.